Helen Schuler Nature Center Bolt Trail is an 8.7 kilometer loop trail, generally considered a moderately challenging route. It takes an average of 2 hours and 14 minutes to complete. This trail is great for hiking and running, particularly for being located in the middle of the city. There are 3 sets of stairways, one going up to get to the top coulee path, and 2 to come down and continue on your way. Other than that, the trail is relatively flat. There are scenic views with lots of birds and painted turtles. For more information, visit the profile on visitlethbridge.com.